1972 Kawasaki H2 750 Mach IV. This wonderful gold metallic 1972 Kawasaki H2 Mach IV two-stroke triple was the hottest motorcycle on the street in the early 1970s. The engine and transmission were rebuilt by a racing specialist builder and tuner, and the factory option double-disc front brakes were included. Showing 0 miles since the restoration, this is a fantastic example of legendary motorcycle and arguably the best example of 1970s excess in performance and style. Versus its Mach III predecessor, the Mach IV featured a larger diameter gusseted tube frame, revised suspension, and an improved steering damper. Additionally, a more effective front disc rear drum brake combination made a significant difference in stopping power. Despite these improvements, its demeanor and performance earned it the Widowmaker nickname in the US, while in Rome it was often referred to as the Bara Volante, or flying coffin.